On tonight's news, we bring you a real-life rags to riches story straight from New York. Jonathan Brent went from having $100 in his bank account to making over $350,000 in the last 9 months. How did he do it? Let's switch over to Jonathan in his home in Manhattan to hear his story. Jonathan, how are you?
I'm good, Jane, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing fantastic. So Jonathan, a lot of us on the team were just amazed to hear your story. I mean, is this even possible in the US of today?
Well, Jane, I have to say it really is. Now, if you'd have asked me this same question a year ago, I'd have said only on TV. So yeah, 2 years ago, I had less than $100 to my name, no home, no job, and would have been on the street with my 2 kids had it not been for my parents who took us in.
Wow, with 2 kids. So what happened? How did you get to that point in your life?
Well, like most people, I thought I had it pretty good. I had a nice house in New York, a decent job as a senior sales manager in a pretty good company, and I really never expected that anything would ever change. Then just like that, the economy hit and my company had to downsize, and I was just one of the many people who lost their job after 16 years of loyal service.
Wow, how many people were laid off?
Over half the staff, I think about 40 people.
So sad.
Yeah, it is sad. You know, for the first couple of weeks, I managed to get myself together. I had 2 kids to look after, but I still felt confident that I would find another job and things would pick up where we left off. I mean, with my experience and my credentials, I just couldn't see it not happening. Well, I was dead wrong. It took us a little over 2 months to get through our savings, and with no job offer in sight, the bank evicted us from our house, but lucky for us, thankfully, my parents took us in. Otherwise, I think we'd be sleeping in the car. Yeah, so one day I run an old college buddy, and he tells me about this new system that he was testing, and he said he could maybe get me in as a beta tester. Now, like most people, I was pretty skeptical, to say the least. I mean, come on. There are hundreds of systems on the internet advertising this, that, and the other. But I was so desperate, I really had nothing to lose. And then you add to this, he said, hey, it's free. And you know what? That one decision literally changed the course of my life. Because in less than 1 week on the system, I had made $3,460.
No way.
Yeah, that's what I said. It was like, literally, I was in tears when I saw the profit column keep on adding up.
So how does the system work?
Well, I can't really explain everything that goes on from like a technical standpoint, but from the user's end, basically the system takes care of the whole online trading process. So all you have to do is click. And, I mean, that's it.
Just one click? Sounds so easy.
Yes, it is.
So tell us about the good stuff. I mean, what's your life like today?
Well, every day I get to wake up in a beautiful home in Manhattan that I actually bought up front 5 months ago. And my kids are just over the moon. And they get more time to spend with me, and things are just really well.
Oh, how cute.
Yeah, they're the reason I actually went for it. You know, I just saw immediately that my friend's system, he called it Kill Binary, by the way, was going to help us. I mean, I saw how it worked instantly, but I never suspected results as massive as what I got. And I'm sorry I can't help but, get over this. I feel so grateful, and I feel like I just can't say thank you enough to David and Kill Binary. Our lives have just been turned around so completely. And basically, I made over $352,100 since I started on Kill Binary just under 10 months ago. I mean, my kids, have a future now, actually, and I also have a future, but it's all thanks to Kill Binary.
Wow, thank you, Jonathan, for sharing your amazing story with us tonight.
Thank you. You're very welcome.
Hello, I'm David, the person who changed Jonathan's life, and maybe yours too. If you're watching this, it means you want to know if Kill Binary can do for you what it did for Jonathan and hundreds of others since 2014. Now let me prove to you that this system works in real time. I'm just logging into my account as I speak to you so you can see that this video has not been edited or tampered with. And we're going to start with a small amount of $250 that I'm going to put on. Just to show you that this is true, I'm going to log on to my transaction history. And as you see, here are my trades that I made, and you can see the profit in real time. And as you can see, 10 seconds later, this amount has made us all this profit. What do you think? Amazing, isn't it? But first, let me ask you something. Do you want to make more money? Let me guess. You answered yes. Do you want to increase your income daily, monthly, yearly? Was that a yes, definitely? That's what over 100 people, including Jonathan, answered before they got on to Kill Binary as initial beta testers in 2014. What if I told you that Kill Binary made 100% of our testers between $450 and $4,500 a day just in 2014? And none, that's right, 0% of our testers ever had a losing day. But don't take our word for it. We wouldn't expect you to. That's why we asked a hedge funds expert to study and analyze all our results for over 17 months so that we could bring you a fail-safe, guaranteed system that will start making you money immediately. You may be wondering why we would share our system with you if it was such a great opportunity. Why not keep it to ourselves? Good question, and the answer is simple. First, I have always wanted to imagine a system that would offer the same money-making opportunities to the average person. Second, I want my system to be the #1 system used by trading professionals and amateurs alike. Now, obviously, my goal here is the same as yours, to make money. By allowing you to test the system, I get to use your data for my study, which will then be put onto our final reports and go one step further in proving the system's efficiency. The end goal is to have Kill Binary be the one and only system program used in trading and by anyone who wants to make extra income. And the fact is, there is no shortage to the amounts of money you can make in online trading thanks to our algorithm. So there really is no reason not to share it with you. So here it is, the first and only system that automates the entire trading system for you. The potential for profits is limitless. Unlike other systems out there, Kill Binary, if used every day, will see you making money instantly. Obviously, you do not want to miss out on this opportunity because I won't offer it again for free. When was the last time you came across a guaranteed way to make limitless amounts of income? Think about it. Wouldn't you love to wake up to find that your net worth has increased overnight? Just because you're sleeping, it doesn't mean your money has to. With Kill Binary, everything between your first click and the profit coming into your account is done for you, and it works for everyone. Whether you are a complete beginner with zero training and experience in computers, or a seasoned trader who wants to leverage his time and/or money, Kill Binary does the work for you, anytime, anywhere. Before I explain what you need to do to get started, let me share Janet's story with you.
Hello, my name is Janet, and I wanted to share my life-changing experience with you. But first, let me just say that I am a real person, and like a lot of real people, I was struggling just to make ends meet. I worked as a waitress in 2 different diners. If I'm perfectly honest with you, I had also already tried quite a few online marketing systems. That never worked out, despite all of their promises. In fact, I ended up losing money, not making any. Then I got invited to be a beta tester for Kill Binary. At first I thought, what the hey, what have I got to lose? Well, I'll tell you, my job, because I quit. After 5 weeks of using KB, I was pulling in $450 to $950 a day on average. One day I made $2,380, more than I was making in weeks. Now, I'm so proud to tell you people that I work for myself, and I don't even call it work. It's so simple. I mean, if I can do it, anyone can. You're looking at someone who only turned on the computer to chat with friends on Facebook or Twitter, literally. I mean, I had virtually no knowledge in computers and even less in online trading. It's just amazing to me that someone like me can make a living so easily just by using the Kill Binary system. So, if you're like me and looking for a simple, guaranteed way to change your life, go with Kill Binary. Thank you, David, and all the team at Kill Binary. I can't say it enough.
And Janet's story is just one in hundreds that we received to say thank you and excitedly share their results with us. Let me give you a little background on the project. I've been working on this system for over 10 years, and it's safe to say this has been my life's work. I had always been interested in online trading and used to spend my free time trying different formulas and calculations. I was obsessed with creating an algorithm that would create and maximize profits instantly, systematically, and on a large scale. In the end of 2013, after years of research, I cracked the code, but I still needed to test it on a large scale before putting it on the market and sell it for millions. I realized with all the scams and promises out there, I needed to be 100% sure that my system worked consistently every single day and for every tester to be worth the price that I'll sell it for. So I asked a small group of beta testers, most of them were friends or friends of their friends, to use the system and allow a third-party trading company to analyze their individual results. Needless to say, this required an immense investment of time and money, but it was well worth it. We saw immediate results with the system and were blown away by the scale and viability of the algorithm I had created. This testing also uncovered a couple quirks in the system that my team and I were then able to iron out to perfect our system and make it 100% profitable and user-friendly. I'd like to remind you that each and every beta tester in 2014 made an average of $450 to $4,500 every day. They officially became millionaires. How long would it take to make that kind of money? 1 week, 1 month, 3 months? Imagine having your bank balance increase with just one click. And with the new and improved kill binary for 2015, the system is already making testers over $6,500 a day. Thanks to the data collected in 2014, we have made the system even more user-friendly and have actually decreased the potential for loss per transaction by over 65%. Unless you play the lottery or get lucky at the casino, and even then it's all about luck, this is the one and only way you can bring in that income you've only ever dreamed of. But like all real opportunities, this one has a time limit on it. We are only accepting 50 testers for this round, and it's open to everyone. If you do not seize this opportunity, I guarantee you will regret it. And I cannot promise that there will be any more openings left if and when you decide to sign up. What would it be worth to you to gain access to the world's first ever 100% automated trading system and see your income increase with just one click? But if I'm going to give you free access, there are a couple of things I need from you. First, you must be a take action type of person and a person who goes all the way, or please leave this chance for another person who will. Second, you must be willing to give full access to your results to our team analysts. You don't have to show your face, but we do need to collect data to continue to prove that our system is 100% viable. Although the system is free, you must be able to invest a small amount initially in your trading account that you will open with a trusted binary broker. Just $250 will be enough for our trading system to show you the magic and start the money machine. So if you are not able to invest this amount, I understand, but please do not sign up as you will only be taking the opportunity away from another tester. What's in it for us? Simple. We get to use your results and add those to our studies to continue to prove black on white that the system performs as well as it was intended. If you are the type of person who sees an opportunity and goes for it, then Kill Binary is for you. If you are the type of person that recognizes a good opportunity but hesitates until it's too late, you may want to give this some serious thought. I cannot promise that you will still have access to this system a couple of days from now. Once the positions have been filled, you will not get a second chance to be on our team. That's the same money-making opportunities as the professional traders get, but with no risk and no hassle. If you want to take the first step and start making profits today, the first step is to type in your best email address on the form and click on the button. We'll then send you how it works and you can start making a serious income just after a few minutes. So go ahead and enter your email and I'll see you on the other side.